Welcome to Shaping the Future 2021. Let's take a quick tour of the conference app so you can make the most of it. From the Home tab, check out the virtual exhibitor booths and what the exhibitors have to offer for you. Also in this tab, view session Q&As and more. From the Agenda tab, you can scroll through the sessions for each day. Tap the calendar icon to add a session to your agenda and set a reminder. Select a session to see more information, such as the session description and presenter details. Select a presenter to see all of their sessions, their bio, and ways to interact. View sessions by tracks for a themed approach to the conference. From the Attendees tab, you can view other delegates and say hello. From the Community tab, view, start, and participate in discussions and share articles that you think your peers should see. From the Messages tab, start a conversation and network with other delegates. For further tutorials, view the HUBA guide from the Home tab. Happy shaping the future!